Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn about how a magnet separates a mixture. Before we start, can anyone tell me what are the different types of heterogeneous mixtures?
I know! They are solid/solid mixtures, liquid/liquid mixtures, as well as insoluble solids and liquid mixtures.
Yes, that's right! How do we separate a mixture of solids? Well,
let's find out!
For this experiment, you will need a bowl, rice grains, penne, steel paper clips, and a magnet. To set up, place the rice grains, steel paper clips, and penne into the bowl. Then, mix all the materials so that they form a mixture in the bowl. We are now ready to begin our experiment. Bring the magnet near the mixture. Observe what happens to the mixture. What did you observe? Pause and discuss.
Whoa! The steel paper clips got attracted to the magnet.
Yes! So which material can we separate from the mixture using the magnet?
We can separate the steel paper clips from the mixture.
In general, we can use a magnet to separate mixture of solids that contain a magnetic and other non-magnetic materials. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.